this attorney friend of mine is a very good friend, and I speak to him all the time, and I happened to mention to him, and I said, do you know of anyone, anybody that's good? He said, I know a great guy. So he told me all this information, and this is how I came to Gaylord Popp, and his wife had used Gaylord Popp, very pleased. When I started to call them, I really was very impressed by their receptionist. Very warm, very friendly, certainly sounded like she was your best friend, and very willing to help. And then when I came here, I actually met the person. And I think that's very important to a firm. I think it makes you feel a lot more comfortable. You have a lot more confidence in your attorney. And I believe it starts from the beginning. And then when I did meet Sam Gaylord, I was very impressed the way he spoke, the way he conducted himself, and I signed right away. And that's kind of unusual for me. I'm usually one to think a little bit. I don't think that long, but I have to tell you, he really sold me just the way he conducted himself. I was very impressed. If I were to describe the firm of Gaylord Popp, I would say kind of like warm, friendly family. They make you really feel very comfortable. From, as I said, you know, from the receptionist to the paralegal. They sent me directions how to get here. They've really been everybody has really been wonderful. I've never met Mr. Popp, but I'm sure that judging from Mr. Gaylord, I'm sure Mr. Popp is just as efficient and wonderful. When I was trying to make the decision as to whether to go with them or to go check with another firm, basically, I think just meeting Sam Gaylord, he made me feel very comfortable. I felt assured that I was in good hands. I really, just from the way he conducted himself, the way he spoke, the way he explained everything in very simple language, which I think is very important, not in legal terms, but in very simple language. I've worked with other lawyers before, unfortunately, and some fortunate, and I felt that I was really in good hands. I was more relieved after going through all the papers and everything, and whatever things that I had to sign or anything that I had to do. I really felt very confident with my legal advice from Sam Gaylord. To be honest with you, it's made my life a lot easier too. If I were to speak with someone and somebody would say to me, or they had an accident or whatever, I would say to them, wait a second, I have somebody for you to talk to. I'm not saying you have to take them. I'm telling you the experience that I've had has been excellent, and I feel that you would be in good hands. As a matter of fact, I did recommend somebody for Sam Gaylord, and I felt that, you know, when you have good relationship with someone or a firm, that you can pass their name on. I think it's really important, and that's the name of the game. If you're comfortable with someone, you certainly could say, I'm very satisfied, and I really suggest that you just give them a call. Just try it. You have nothing to lose, but everything to gain if you call a firm of Gaylord and Popp.